Hi friends, in today's video I will introduce you to an ultimate Windows utility program that will help you improve the performance of your Windows 11 PC. This is a tool that has evolved over several years and have achieved more than just debloating a Windows install. This utility is developed by Chris Titus. So without wasting time, let's start. First you have to open your browser and go to this link, that is christitus.com. And from this page you will get the option to run this utility on your computer. Now for that, first you have to copy this command. You can see a command here. Just copy it. Now just go to the start and then open PowerShell. You'll get Windows PowerShell here. Just right click on it and run it as an administrator. Now just paste that link here and then just run it. Yes. Now you are inside this application. The main 5 parts are install, tweaks, config, updates and micro windows. This particular utility have the classic debloat section also, which you can do with your Windows install. If you scroll down, you can see that a lot of applications are available in this for safe install. So let us start with the install section. This install is basically a better version of Ninite that many people use. It leverages Microsoft's Winget utility to not only install ton of softwares that you select with a checkmark, but also gives you the ability to upgrade all the softwares quickly. So by using this utility, you will save hours on install, but also make it easy to keep all your programs up to date. Now for that, you can select the options one by one which you want to get it installed, and then click on install upgrade selected. I'm just installing Telegram. You can see that it is running in the background. Now it started installing the packages. Now you can see that it has returned the message that the install has been finished. Likewise, you can try all the utilities, documents, communication, multimedia tools and all other tools available in this utility. Now the next section is tweaks, which is basically the debloating Windows. So debloating Windows is always a moving target and there are many utilities out there. So just click on that. Here you can see the essential tweaks, advanced tweaks and customized preference. And also you have a submenu which shows the standard, minimal, clear and get installed. Please remember that many of them are too heavy-handed. So I would recommend to go with a minimal approach that should not damage your Windows install. Now after installing, if you feel that you do not want to go through these tweaks, then there is an option to undo it. Just undo selected tweaks. Now the next section is config. This tab makes it easier to enable built-in features that are off by default. So you can select the options one by one and make your own choice. For example, let's go to the control panel. Directly it will take you to the control panel. Network connection. Power panel. Likewise, you can use all those options from here. Now the next option is updates. So this particular section of the utility recommend one that only installs security updates and allow features updates after they have been proven over 1 year. So you can see 3 options here: default, out of box settings. These are security settings, and disable all updates section. This is not recommended as it will disable all the updates to the Windows. Another important feature of this particular utility is that you will be able to install Windows 11 through this option. You can download Windows 11 ISO through the following options and then install it without internet. So hope this utility is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Now to exit it, you can just type in exit. I hope this utility is helpful for you to improve your Windows performance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.